guys, and welcome to VLOGMAS. Y'all, I'm excited. I've been talking about Vlogmas for like a month now. I'm excited for Vlogmas season. It's my favorite time of year. The lights, everything, the shopping, everything gets me so excited for Vlogmas, and I'm so excited to take y'all on this journey with me for the next 25 days. I just wanted to come and open up the Vlogmas season and explain what to expect from me during Vlogmas. So obviously, just with my lifestyle and everything, I can't promise every day that every day is going to be a vlog. Some of my contents are pre-recorded, so do expect that. Not a lot. I'm going to try to do my best to give y'all up-to-date, like that day-to-day content as much as possible. Expect some hair videos, because you know we gotta throw that in there too. But majority of the videos will be up-to-date, and I'll try to keep y'all in the loop as much as I can. So yeah, but with all that out the way, y'all, today's video is a pre-recorded video. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, y'all. I tried my best to get y'all like a up-to-date content, but with everything, I got some stuff going on that I only got the video halfway done. It's not fully done, so y'all would just see this. Y'all would just see the decoration and everything in a different vlog. However, the videos are still coming, so if you're excited about Vlogmas, drop it in the comments section. Let me know that you are ready for Vlogmas. I am so excited. Definitely stay tuned, keep on watching. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Like, yes ma'am. Y'all, I am so excited. I can't even contain myself. Like, it's crazy. However, enjoy today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I am obviously at work. Every time y'all see this background, I'm at work. I decided to make this wall for the kids, the graffiti wall, because no matter how many times I say do not write on this board right here because it does not erase, they write on it. So I'm just like, F it. I'm not even going to stress it. Make this y'all graffiti wall. So that's their graffiti wall. They write their little Instagram @ on there and follow each other. That's their little enjoyment. If they're happy, I'm happy. Okay, just wanted to come and open up the vlog. Right now I'm just here. I just got done making sure all my lessons and stuff are done, and I'm ready to go for tomorrow. Y'all, I still have not soaked off my nails yet from the last video, and I told myself I wasn't going to start the vlog again before I did it. Well, I'm going to do that after school. I'm going to do that after work, so I'm actually going straight to the nail salon, because if I go home, I'm still not going to get them soaked off, and I'm tired of walking around having my nails look crazy. I can't even I went over earlier, and I'm trying to help a student out, and I found myself, I was about to point, and I was like, ooh, not with these nails, girl, not with these nails. Let me get my pen. I can't be pointing nowhere with these, okay? Because these kids will grind me up. Listen, these kids, don't play with them. They will grind. They'll probably ask me what's wrong with my nails. But they know my nails always done, so they know. Okay, I told you I'm gonna be tired of seeing me with this hairstyle because it's so easy. So I'm rocking my little one again. I like when my ponytail looks a little messy like this, and I decided to switch it up and put some gold earrings on today and a gold chain. I don't know what made I feel. I was feeling myself this morning. I even had time to put some mascara on, you know. Hey guys, so it's later on. We're at Costco here with Mama, Papa, Shavan, Zach back there. Somebody asked in the last vlog who Zach was. That's Sweet's little brother. Mummy and Kai in front of us. So we're at Costco. We are, why my camera not focusing? There we go. Lord, that came out of you? But we're going to Costco to go grab some stuff for the house. Y'all know it's a full house now, so things go like, so we're heading in. Guys, I got the Christmas stuff out. I'm so excited. I'm still thinking about a plan of how I wanted to do my bedroom. I don't know if I like this one, but that's it. I don't like that, and I don't really like this one. If I get it, it's just because. But no, I only got those 4 types, and I only like the drawer one. But I don't want the same pillow to say the same thing. They have this. I don't like the fa la 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 la. I don't like that. But yes, I don't have a wide variety, but I do want to get some stuff for my bedroom. But I'm excited. It's Christmas time. Hello. Yes, say hello, everybody. You trying to look at you? Look at you. Thank you. Yeah. All right, go on and ask Sheila, okay? Guys, we're at the mall now. Somehow. Oh, Tara boy. Should I can't, but he can't sit on up.
Yeah, the other one you can sit down.
The other one you can sit on up in the side car seat.
Can't strap him.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Very Christmassy. Guys, it's almost 9 o'clock on a school night and we outside. I don't know who I think I am being out on a school night. It's freezing. We're finally going home. It is cold. We're finally going home. I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed because my head hurts so bad. So I'll catch you. The lighting is gonna change a bunch. Just the morning sunshine, but I did want to come in and show y'all that I got Starbucks today. I got me a double smoke just because I usually just get a drink, but I did not have I don't have lunch today, so I didn't bring lunch today. God damn. Hold on, because this sun is blinding me. I'm a little raspy. I got Starbucks, like I was saying. The lighting is horrible, but I'm gonna continue because I'm on my way to work and I don't want to like not vlog because I am heading to work. Because when I reach work, it's no more vlogging, you know. So anyway, I did go ahead and get Starbucks. I got the pumpkin spice latte. I don't know when they're gonna stop with the pumpkin spice, but I'm here for it. Like, usually I'm not the type of, I'm not gonna, like, people be spicing stuff, but I think I found my formula and it's so good. If you want to try it, I got the pumpkin spice latte. It usually comes with whipped cream, but I swapped it out for pumpkin cold foam. And I put caramel drizzle in the cup. Chef's every time. It is on the sweeter end, not necessarily, but if you could drink a frappuccino with caramel drizzle, you could drink a pumpkin spice latte. Good amount of caffeine in it that gets me going. I got a double smoked sandwich, like I was saying. I did not bring lunch today. Usually when we cook the day before, I'll bring like leftovers for lunch, but we didn't cook last night, girl. I ate some mac and cheese and called it a night. And also, the girl at Starbucks was so nice. Yesterday was red cup day, so if you ordered it out, I think it was a specific type of beverage. I think it was some type of beverage, and you got a free, you would have gotten a free red cup. So I didn't drink those type of things. I always get this recently, but she was like, girl, you want a red cup? And I was like, don't mind if I do. So she gave me a free red cup for the season. It's very much given. So Vlogmas 2022, y'all gonna see this a lot, but this gonna be my little, you know, this gonna be my little drink cup for most things. The week has been it's been Spirit Week at work all week. And in hindsight, I'm like, dang, I should have like really went out for Spirit Week and like vlogged and do a whole shebang. However, it just like, they just announced it last week and we were like, I don't know where I'm gonna get all these fits from. Today's Celebrity Day. I am no celebrity. It's just an excuse for me to dress down. So I'm in like sweats, but they look like pants so they can get away. And I'm in my platform Converses, just a regular white shirt and my jacket. I've been dressing cute all week. Y'all. Like Monday, cute. Tuesday, cute. Wednesday, we went chill. Yesterday, cute. Today, we chill again. Because my fits are coming in. I can like definitely, whenever I buy clothes, y'all. And here's a tip. Whenever you're buying clothes, try to buy it for like multiple occasions. And this is a tip to my old self, because I would just buy something for a specific event or a specific thing and then I won't wear it again. But I'm learning how to like cross dress my things, so like this is appropriate to wear for work and I can still wear this to brunch and I can dress it up for Instagram, you know. So I'm getting multiple wear out of my stuff, because who got time spending money on something just to wear it once? No ma'am. Hey guys, it's hours later, like 12 hours later, because it's probably 1 something right now in the morning. I'm trying to put this one to sleep. What you got to say? Why you not sleep this hours? What do you have to say? Nothing? Trying to put this one to sleep. I went and got some wine earlier, so I'm gonna wind down, drink some wine, probably catch a movie. Last night I watched a Christmas movie. I love Christmas movies on Netflix. Love. So I'm probably gonna find one because it's the season. So I'm gonna go find one to watch and hopefully catch up asleep soon, so that I can just like have some me time. Sweet soon come home from work too. Say good night, everybody. And this is probably where I'm gonna end off the vlog, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Say bye, guys. Tell them bye-bye, because you can't say bye-bye, you know. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. No? You don't want to tell them bye-bye? So yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next vloggy vlog.